Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Safura and today I have got a quick video for you all. As you may know, there is a new tax regime, that is section 115 BAC, which has been compulsorily opted from 2024, which differs from the old tax regime as I explained in previous video. The whole problem was done under old tax regime, but in new tax regime there are some provisions that are same, but there are some key differences you need to be aware of, as it has also been provided in your textbooks. With the new tax regime now compulsorily, it's essential to understand these changes. You might encounter questions on either the old or new tax regime, because in your textbook I have seen they are solving the problems under both tax regime. So you may get any one of those, and using the wrong provisions or calculation could cost your marks. So you should be aware of both the tax regimes, क्योंकि फिर अगर आप ओल्ड में ही सारे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करिए एंड यू डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ 115 BAC और लोग क्वेश्चन में ये दे दिए कि यू हैव ऑप्टेड फॉर 115 BAC, सॉल्व करो उसका प्रॉब्लम, देन यू डोंट नो कि इसके प्रोविजंस क्या और उसके कैलकुलेशंस क्या थे. वैसे तो सारे कैलकुलेशंस ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, बट देर आर सम की डिफरेंसेस और वो लोग वही टेस्ट करेंगे. सो इट्स बेटर वी प्रिपेयर बोथ द टैक्स regimes, right? Let's briefly see what actually 115 BAC is. It is a new tax regime, as I told you. It offers lower tax rates than the old regime, and to avail of these lower tax rates we will have to give up some exemptions and deductions, which means ये tax regime में थोड़े deductions और exemption नहीं मिलते अपन को, that were available in the old tax regime. This regime is mandatory now for certain individuals, and they will have to offer it from the assessment year 2023 to 2024. As I told, it is now compulsory. As you can see here, the salary head is almost same. The basic pay is same. Bonus, fees, commission, arrears of salary, advance salary, all the calculations will be same under both old tax regime and new tax regime. Second thing, allowances. Dearness allowance same, CCA same, HRA fully taxable. As we have seen here, these three things, all that, it doesn't come under new tax regime. Simply you have to take this 18,000 here under new tax regime, that is 115 BAC. Children education allowance fully taxable again, all that 2,400 for one children, 4,800 per two children. We have to take here 4,800 if you are solving this problem under new tax regime, because it is fully taxable, no allowance is given. Next, children hostel allowance, again fully taxable. Here we don't have to take 1,200, whole 8,400 we have to take here. Next, entertainment allowance fully taxable, no deductions given for a government or non-government employee. Next is perquisites are also same as old tax regime, gift up to 5,000 exempt, all that, club bill, electricity bill, credit card, same calculations and provisions. And the last thing in those provisions, which I have told you in previous video, is professional tax, which is changed, and everything is same except these three. This also fully taxable. Entertainment allowance I haven't written here, but it is fully taxable. Professional tax under section 16, it was allowed as deduction in old tax regime, but in new tax regime देर इज़ नो डिडक्शन. पहले ये अलाउड रहता था 2,400, अपन यहाँ से डिडक्ट कर लेते थे, लेकिन न्यू टैक्स रिजिम जो 115 BAC है उधर इसका डिडक्शंस अवेलेबल नहीं है अपन को, तो यहाँ पे प्रोफेशनल टैक्स नील लेना रहता अपन को न्यू टैक्स रिजिम के अंदर. आई होप यू गॉट एन आइडिया. So that is it for today. I'll be coming up with more such videos. Stay tuned. Happy learnings.